Good morning, my name is Leydi. Then I will describe my best holiday. I went to San Andres Islas February 25, 2016 with my family. The trip lasted 4 days, 3 nights. It was an unforgettable experience because it was the first time I got on a plane. The lodge was in the Portobello Hotel Convention Center. We arrived at 9. The first time we was have dinner. They toured the center of San Andres walking into various stores, cosmetics, perfumery and crafts. That night we returned used to the hotel to rest. The next day, early in the morning, it was renting some mules to travel the island of San Andres. Twice they give back the mules after we went to hotel to eat sometime. And finally we entered that afternoon on the beach. The third day we early and we went to the aquarium, but as masks for all the fish. We turned us to the beach and there they toured Suriname and visual various species of fish. What I liked most was the sea of 7 colors. Experience the submarine half swam in the medium of the sea. From my point of view, I recommend this place for its culture. It is very relaxing and has a beautiful view. Thank you very much.